first thing is business models for me is how you design the organization to create and capture value. But to design an organization to create and capture value, why you need to do that is because you want to really achieve the unexpected. So business models are all about allowing the company the capacity to achieve the unexpected. And there are many examples of companies that have built fortunes based on business model innovation. And we will look at a few here. So we all know that today, the world's largest taxi company owns no vehicles, and that, as all of us know, is Uber. It is a business model innovation-led success story. We know that the world's most popular media owner creates no content. That's Facebook. We know that the world's largest accommodation provider owns no real estate. That's Airbnb. We know the world's most valuable retailer has no inventory, whether it's Amazon or whether it's Alibaba. Here it's Alibaba, who's the world's largest retailer, has no inventory. And the world's fastest growing TV network lays no cables. We can spend a whole day describing how these companies did business model innovation to become globally successful. And it's not just the tech companies. There are so many examples of companies outside of the tech industry who have also done business model innovation to achieve global leadership and scale. So there are many companies that have achieved enormous feats with business model innovation. So if business model is all about achieving the unexpected, which really means converting implausible and impossible ideas into viable companies. And implausible is something that is not seemingly reasonable or possible. Impossible is something that cannot occur, cannot be done. But there are all these examples of our companies that have achieved the unexpected, of achieving the implausible and the impossible, converting them into viable companies through sheer business model innovation. So what does this business model contain? It contains really these 12 elements. And I want to just start with what was the purpose of each of these elements. So the 4 elements out of this 12, which is all about how to set direction for the company. Hugely important. And that includes how we defined or sized the opportunity, how we embedded purpose in the company, being very clear about our governing objective in terms of how we will allocate capital, and finally embedding ambition and stretch and aspiration in the company. All of these 4 elements helped us set clear direction for the company. The second part of a business model was really determining strategy. And strategy for me really answers 2 questions. At the hub of it all, it's all about making 2 critical choices about where to play and how to win. So that's all about strategy. And that really is the element of how do we develop distinctive competencies, how do we develop a portfolio strategy, how do we develop a competitive strategy, and how do we develop a growth strategy. And the third element of a business model is really knowing who and what we are and what we stand for. And there are 2 elements of a business model which confers us this ability to recognize who we are, what we stand for, and knowing who we are. And that's about a spirit and a belief and our shared values and culture. And finally, it's all about how do you design and create an organization that will allow you to execute the strategy and deliver the strategy. So how do you create coherence between the various parts of the organization to do that?